sometimes the banks may not be as generous as your parents in that instead of just paying them back $1, they'll eventually say, you can borrow this $1, but when you pay me back, you're going to have to pay me $1.25 back instead. So that's the key distinction there. Now, eventually, as you grow up and get older, there are times where it feels very important to borrow. And in borrowing from your parents or in using a credit card in that example, as you've built up trust with people to lend you money, that can be really helpful when you go to buy a house. And most people aren't able to buy a house with just what's in their bank account or what's in your piggy bank. That can be helpful long term. And so sometimes it's good as you're young to start building up that trust. But just make sure as you're doing so, you're always able to pay back who you're borrowing from so that you're building up good trust and eventually will have that chance to use what's called credit or trust later on in a bigger purchase.